Hi friends, this is Bala. Today is something special to me and my run. Still now I have been running 21k marathon more than 10 times, either solo or group events in Delhi. Yes, I here at Lodi Garden and decide to run a full marathon 42k for one of world wonder called Manju Picchu Peru. I am super excited because this is my first attempt. I would like to share my whole experience with you. Let me see what are the preparation needed for a long run and how I did it. Running long distance run is not always easy one. It's really a challenge of physical and mental aspect. To achieve, require enough of practice session. I am running couple of months in alternative day. Prior to run, do not do any strenuous workout 2 to 3 days and let body get adequate rest. We know that some of night preparation has to do prior to run. It's important that our body require adequate sleep. I sleep 8 hours sleep and wake up bit early, and I do what preparation was decided. Adequate rest and morning bath always reflect the whole body feel fresh. It's very important for a strong finish. See, to gear up run, do not run with an ordinary sneakers, run with a good pair of running shoes. We spend more than 3 hours and our body repeated similar action more and more. For these reasons, the running shoes are designed such a way to prevent injuries. I wear Spokes running shoes, I feel comfort. Secondly, flip belt. It's an essential and part of long run. I used it for keep keys, phones and some energy food items. Third one is this outfit. Being a long runner, we know that what outfit would be more comfort. I wear Decathlon sports cloth, not too tight. For sweat absorption, I wear headband and wristband. Next is a course of run. A good course of run always bring more self-confidence and less interference. I chose Lodi Garden for my long run today. I run here already once, so I know the pathway very well. In addition to above, certainly important about using a running track app. I am comfort with the Strava. Here you have many options for different challenges like run, walking, cycling with the different clubs. It gives a detailed running data more than what we need. To get accurate data, don't off your network or GPS during run. This is common to all that what to eat before run. With my knowledge, eating food items vary with the type of food items, timing, distance and individual requirement. A research study says that eat 60% carbohydrate, 30% fat, 10% protein with adequate amount of hydration any form. For short distance run, not required to eat anything. Well, like plan to run long distance run should eat an hour or more because while running the amount of blood supply to digestive system is reduced and more blood moves towards the running muscle. I eat carbohydrate based meals before my run because it gives more glucose and it easy for fuel formation. On running day we can take like breakfast, a slice of bread with an omelette, wheat roti with any cereal curry, egg roasted dosai. I prefer the last one. Yes, I do drinking coffee before my run. Drinking coffee have a positive impact on speed and endurance. To get a best result, drink coffee before an hour or more. It affects for last 3 to 5 hours and I have the sips of energy drinks 30 minutes prior to my run. Few seconds after your run started, your heart beat faster and more blood move towards muscle. If you are a regular runner, your muscle have ample of ATP supply and the body able to efficiently move oxygen, burn fat and glucose. At this time, you will feel more energized, you will run well. In case of new runner, above the things will not happen, you will feel difficult to run. So what to do? When you feel tired, slow down your run and resume your run when you are able to run. After 2 hours of long run, almost all stored glycogen are used. You will feel tired. To boost up your fuel, keep some suitable food items like banana, dates, raisin, some energy drinks and eat them every 30 to 45 minutes alternatively. You will energized and you will run well and you will finish strong. Running long run is a really tiring one. To maintain the rhythm of pace, need to follow 3 things. Those things are a tip about breathing, what is cadence and your cadence and how to maintain it. Finally, a tip about how to keep your leg feel fresh. Firstly, way of breathing in a long run is very important because if you follow the right breathing technique, it will help to maintain your pace throughout the run and also will establish a good communication with your running posture. So how to do it? Every kilometer of first 100 meters, do breathing in through nose and out by mouth. By doing this way, the lungs get more space for air in and diaphragm tend to build lot of stability. We know that the diaphragm is the primary breathing muscles. While breathing, it goes down and create more space for air. Those who are obese above the process quite off, so they get tired soon, cannot run more. Second is cadence. Cadence define how many steps take in a minute. During run, if steps rhythm get failed, fatigue become more and more. We all have natural cadence and optimal cadence generally around 170 to 180 strides per minute. Most of the professional runners have between 180 to 200 steps per minute. I did many times. Mine is around 176 to 186 steps per minute. It is simple way to check it out. When you run 21k, you start count your steps of last 2 kilometers and match it with when your run started. Being a good runner, the cadence should bring gradually and maintain it. Finally, how do we keep our legs feel fresh while running? In the later stage, we feel our legs very tight, sometimes cannot step more. So what to do? You do halfway of your run, slow down and take a breath twice and do a squat or leg swings. Do them every 1 to 2 kilometers 5 times alternatively and make sure that if you follow above these tips, you will find a good rhythm of pace in your run. I started at 5:30 morning and took 4 hours 20 minutes to finish with an average speed of 6.12 per kilometer. Up to 26 kilometer, my speed was around 5.20 per kilometer. Thereafter, my speed drifting with 5 to 6. After 35 kilometer, I felt bit difficult to get steps but mentally fit. Eventually, I completed. I'm happy with my position in the leaderboard. Finally, I recognized by a certificate with medal. And I like to thank Vijay, camera person. I dedicated this award to my family, especially my parents. Thank you for watching. We will see with another video. Until eat well, run well, sleep well.